Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to preview your blog post before publishing it. As you can see, I'm into my WordPress admin dashboard, and here in the left side toolbar we are getting an option of post, and as I move my cursor on the post, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of us having all posts, where all our existing written blog post would be displayed. You can create a new blog post by clicking on add post, and here for your reference I'm going to edit my existing post, so I've clicked on all posts, right? And here I'm going to the draft blog post, as I have already kept a blog post in draft for your reference. And here you can simply click on edit under the blog post title, right, to edit that particular blog post. As you can see, I have already written my blog post, and if I just want to preview it, then there is an option of triple dot in the top right corner, right? You can simply click on this triple dot. Okay, there is a view button in the top right corner, right? As you can see on my screen, in the top right corner there is an button of view, right? You just need to click on this view, and you just need to click on preview in new tab. Then automatically the blog post preview would open in front of you, so you will get an idea if you publish this blog post, then how this blog post is going to appear, right? As you can see, the blog post preview is now open. So this is how you can preview your blog post before publishing it. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.